powerful winter storm has brought chaos and tragedy to South Africa. Snowfall, torrential rain, and flash floods have battered several provinces, leaving behind destruction, heartbreak, and at least 7 confirmed fatalities. The Eastern and Western Cape provinces were hit hardest. Major roads were shut down, drivers stranded, emergency services overwhelmed. In towns like Elliot and Barkly East, snow piled up on mountain passes, cutting off entire communities. Icy winds and power outages plunged neighborhoods into darkness, with temperatures dropping below freezing. For many residents, this was the coldest weather they've experienced in years. In one of the storm's most devastating moments, a school bus was swept away by floodwaters in Gqeberha. Several children were rescued, but tragically, not all survived. Among the confirmed dead, a baby and multiple young students. The search for missing persons continues. Rescue operations are being carried out under extreme weather conditions. Authorities have declared a state of disaster in affected areas. Emergency shelters have been set up and military support has been deployed. Meteorologists say this violent cold front originated from Antarctica, colliding with warmer air over the southern tip of Africa. A rare combination that triggered both snow and flooding at the same time. Roads, homes, and power grids have all been affected. Hundreds are now displaced. Many families have lost everything. As climate patterns shift, South Africa may be facing a new era of extreme weather events. The line between seasons is beginning to blur, and disasters once rare are now becoming dangerously common. For now, South Africans are cleaning up, counting losses, and bracing for what comes next. This is a developing story. We'll continue to follow this event and bring you updates as they come in. Stay safe, stay alert, and stay informed.